You are so going to wish that you knew this AI content hack sooner. You can instantly increase the quality of your output with your content copywriting by just giving the AI one of these 3 copywriting frameworks. You're going to use one of these 3 frameworks, AIDA, PASS, or 4P. Okay, so here's the prompt that you're going to give it. You're going to say, you are a creative copywriter. My brand, and insert your brand, is, and describe the objective. Our tone is, and then you want to give 3 adjectives. Our audience is, and target your audience. Write A, and then ask it what you want to write. So a video, carousel, or an ad using the, and then insert one of those 3 frameworks that I gave you, and then framework. That is using this framework with the prompt that I've just given you, you are going to get a better, higher quality output and more targeted content creation. And then, of course, I always recommend after that to humanize it, to really cement that human tone to reflect your brand. Don't forget to save this for future reference and let me know in the comments if you're going to try this prompt.